Hello, this is Bunting, and today we're going to make some Tearout basses in Vital. Let's play this track. And without further ado, let me show you how this madness is created. So the first thing here, this screechy, amazing reverby bass. I'll just create it right from scratch for you. First things first, we got to get our screech envelope. So to do that, just dragging that back and adding another point, dragging it up, put it on envelope mode, and let's get modulating. So we want some FM action, so turn on your FM, oscillator 2 on, level down, and add that bad boy to the FM. That's cool, but I want something a little more screechy, so I'm just going to turn up the pitch on this oscillator 2. Already got plenty of timbres, whatever, to choose from here. And for some added awesomeness, put some sync on the second oscillator and drag the same envelope there. That's pretty cool. Alright, next thing, for just some added awesomeness, white noise. It kind of sounds like somebody screaming in a way, which I think is awesome for Tearout stuff. And add our envelope to the level. And this will really crunch it up when we add some distortion down the line. Now for some extra movement, let's have our filter here on high pass mode and drag this to our cutoff. And also right here we see our oscillator 1's going through it, but not our noise. So let's put our noise through it too. Just add some awesome valleyness. Now our second filter for some further movement, and we're going to route filter 1 to filter 2. Now I want a notch filter for this, so I'm going to go under notch blend, and you want this blend in the middle, and I'm going to have it swing back. Awesome. Exactly what we were going for. Okay, next some effects. First some distortion, and just crank that shit. Jesus Christ. Jesus Louises. Okay. Pretty self-explanatory what that does. Okay, compressor, of course, attack release up. Chorus just to make it shreddy and stereo. Let's turn the feedback down. Actually, a little bit of ringing out, never hurt anyone with these kind of basses. And I also added some reverb, just so it kind of sticks around. And this here is pretty much the same bass, except I just tweak the FM and sync parameters. Next thing, this heavy ass machine gun bass. Holy moly. It's a lot like other basses, but plucky. So let's make this from scratch. And first drag our plucky envelope, drag it back, and make it a little sparky, a little snappy. Let's put this on our level first. And also we want it to go a little faster, and also only hit when our notes hit. So that put that on an envelope, and it's not repeating incessantly. It's just boom, 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 simple. Next thing is we're going to pick an awesome wavetable from Glurklunk. Pick anything you want, really, experiment, but Clicky Robot is just one of my favorites in here. It makes it clicky and fat. That's cool and all, but where's the beef? Alright, distortion, say no more. Mess with our position. Just awesome. Multiband compressor. Chorus if you want, maybe a little less in the mix. And I think that's pretty freaking awesome. It's really that simple. Maybe add some white noise. LFO on. I don't know. Kind of like it cleaner. so you can hear those high harmonics all nice. That's your machine gun bass, but before I forget, there is one little extra thing you can add to make it that much better, and that is some pitch modulation. Go to LFO 2. That's pretty awesome, but not what I'm going for. But you can use that too. The pitch just gives it that like laser pew pew pew. And you can mess with how much is being used. Also put this on envelope, because why not? Alright, now this bass under it. This one is quite simple, really. For most of these, it's just like nice wavetables and nice distortion, if you haven't caught on already. Okay, so just drag your LFO to the level here and speed it up. Cool, pick a cool wavetable. Any of these will do, but I like the tone in that one. And multiband compress it, bit of distortion, and this delay just makes it slap back in an awesome way. Not the same exact patch, but you can get even cooler results. Alright, now the last thing, this top wobbly thing, excuse me, I am dying. Alright, just kidding, I would never die. I need to provide you with sound design content. Initialize preset. And this one you want kind of higher up, I mean, as you can probably hear in the sound. And we're going to get a sine wave from Basic Shapes, which cannot be heard, but we introduce some FM, yes, right? FM, you're with me. Turn this level down, get another sine wave, add some sync, and of course, how could I forget this LFO? And a lot of these like laser high-end type things, they're on triplets, so triplets, eighth notes. And to make it not sound kind of lame, distortion on downsample. And also cutting out the lows helps. Got a lot of different choices for your timbres. Multiband compressor makes it sound way more palatable. And I had a little pitch bend here. And here I changed the amount of distortion on the downsample. You can also, for some variation, maybe change the sync frequency. But that's really all the things I have here. You know, hope you got a nice palette of Tearout, heavy Riddim, crazy dubstep, deathstep, whatever kind of basses you're going for, and be creative with them. Don't recreate them exactly. Have some fun with it. Just be yourself, man. And on that note, if you liked the video, hit like. If you have any questions about what I did, or you have any suggestions for future videos, leave that in the comments down below. And if you want to see more of this, subscribe, you know the deal, and hit the bell icon so you get those lovely notifications that tell you when my videos are posted. This was Bunting. Thanks for watching. Peace out.